Installation video for Sunten D307 dental unit. Part 2. Cabinet installation. Open the package of cabinet. Take out all components and check according to the packing list. Installation of the connecting pillar. Fixing screws and nuts are attached to the patient chair to the connecting pillar. Remove them for later use. Insert the connecting pillar into its installation position on the patient chair. Use inner hexagonal wrench to screw the fixing screw. Place horizontal ruler to measure the level of the connecting pillar. There are 4 horizontal adjustment screws on the installation position of connecting pillar. Adjust connecting pillar level by screwing fixing screws and horizontal adjustment screw. After the horizontal adjustment is completed, tighten the 2 fixing screws on the top of the installation position. Screw the nuts into the 2 fixing screws at the bottom and tighten them with a wrench. Cabinet installation. Put the cabinet onto connecting pillar. Use a cross screwdriver to unscrew the fixing screws from the bottom of the cabinet for later use. Open the left, right cabinet shell. Take out the water supply set and pipe sleeves. Put the pipe sleeves onto the water pipe sleeves from the cabinet side, but the water pipe according to label. Use sharp nose pliers to press pipe sleeves to the end of the joint. Completely insert the tongue of water supply set into the bayonet and rotate into the bayonet clockwise. Take out the spittoon filter cap. Aim spittoon drain on the installation point. Put the low side of spittoon toward flushing nozzle and rotate horizontally down. Rotate the high side of spittoon toward the flushing position. Place filter cap into spittoon drain one by one. Notice the spittoon is fragile. Do not rotate violently. External junction box installation. Put the junction box beside water supply pipe, air supply pipe, drainage pipe. Insert 3 drain pipes into the drainage outlet. Remove the water, air pipe connectors of junction box. Connector wrapped with an appropriate amount of PTFE tape to prevent water-air leakage. Install connector and tighten them at the water supply outlet and air supply outlet. Corresponding labels are affixed with water inlet pipe and air inlet pipe. Connect water pipe and air pipe with connectors and tighten them with pipe sleeves, according to labels. Cover the water supply pipe, air supply pipe, drainage pipe with junction box. Pay attention to ensure the smooth drainage. The water inlet pipe, air inlet pipe cannot be distort crushed. Assistant tray installation. Take out the assistant tray. Rotary rod cover. Insert assistant tray completely into rotary rod and pull out the wire. Another side of rotary rod completely insert into assistant tray frame. Put the silicone pad well. Thread the electric wire harness into the cabinet and tighten it. Use a cross screwdriver to loosen the wire buckle at the bottom of the assistant tray frame. Buckle the wire harness and tighten them again. Use a cross screwdriver to remove the 6 cover plate screws at the bottom of the rotary rod. Cover the rotary rod cover. Insert cover fixing screws and tighten. Screw the limit screw into the rotary rod with Allen wrench until it is flush with the surface of rotary rod. Take out 3-way syringe. Strong suction, weak suction. Insert the strong suction handle, weak suction handle into assistant tray hanger according to label. Pay attention that filter tip is placed upward into the filter. Insert the strong and weak suction cups into the clamp according to the label. Screw suction cups into the clamp clockwise and tighten. Insert 3-way syringe into assistant tray hanger according to label. Connect 3-way syringe hose with joint and tighten. Foot switch installation. Take out foot switch. Connect foot switch hose with joint on the bottom of cabinet and screw clockwise. Cabinet electric circuit installation. Put motor wire, limited wire, foot controller wire, anti-collision switch wire line of patient chair, through the connecting pilar to the inside of the cabinet. Remove the sleeve. Docking of each wire by label. Cabinet installation is completed. Thank you for watching.